Now, after Mahayuti's thumping victory in Maharashtra, all eyes will now be on who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The frontrunners for the Chief Minister post are Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis. Reacting to the thumping victory of the NDA and the question of who will be the next Chief Minister of the state, Eknath Shinde, Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, all three of them said that the three parties will sit together and decide. Sources have informed India Today that Eknath Shinde has claimed for the top job as Ladki Behan scheme was his brainchild. The scheme which reversed the Lok Sabha poll mandate.
हमारी तीनों पार्टियां बैठेगी। हमारे जैसे आपको बताते हैं, जैसे हमने सीटों का बंटवारा हुआ, हमें कोई मतभेद हमारे में नहीं थे, आज भी कोई मतभेद नहीं है। हम हमारे वरिष्ठ और हम लोग बैठकर उसके ऊपर निर्णय लेंगे।
सीएम पद के ऊपर कोई भी विवाद नहीं होने वाला, क्योंकि पहले दिन से ये तय है कि चुनाव जब संपन्न होगा तो चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां तय करेगी। हमारे नेता आदरणीय होम मिनिस्टर साहब ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ये बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में बताया है कि चुनाव के बाद तीनों पार्टियां बैठेगी और इसका निर्णय करेगी।
मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि महायुति का ही सीएम बनेगा और बट ऑब्वियस जिस पार्टी बड़ी है उस पार्टी को ज्यादा चांस रहता है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी आज 125 के आसपास जाने की शंका अपना चांसेस है और मुझे लगता है भाजपा का सीएम बनेगा तो हमारे देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब ही इस महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे।
आज का दिन देखना चाहते थे, उसके लिए सबने मिलकर मेहनत की है। अब इसके आगे पार्टी लीडरशिप निर्णय लेगी कि इसके आगे के लिए महायुति के लिए लीडरशिप कौन सी अच्छी है, उस हिसाब से वो डिसाइड करेंगे।
सच बोले तो ये बहुत ही भाग्यशाली दिन है सबके लिए, आदरणीय अजित दादा के लिए, राष्ट्रवादी के लिए और सब जनता के लिए, हमारे बारामती के लिए, क्योंकि बारामती के लोगों ने अपना सच्चा मत दादा की बाजू में दिया है और मैं सब हमारी बारामती की जनता का पूरे हृदय से धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ उनको, उन्होंने दादा का साथ दिया।
आपने आशीर्वाद दिया।
Piyush Mishra is joining us live to bring us more details on the story. Piyush, both Devendra Fadnavis and Eknath Shinde have not really said much on who the CM face will be, but do you think Chief Minister Eknath Shinde may now have mixed feelings over the result because of the sheer numbers that have been raked by the BJP?
Well, Chetna, what is more interesting here is that the BJP has been able to secure a huge mandate. It has crossed the mark of 130 and only need 12 numbers extra to cross the majority mark. So, it's the biggest party in Mahayuti, in fact, in the state. And most likely we can expect BJP to move ahead and, claim the topmost job here in the state. But at the same time, all the three leaders of Mahayuti have made it very clear that they are going to hold deliberations and then only they are going to decide upon the name of Chief Minister. Sources within the BJP have also told us that the work, the good governance which was given by Eknath Shinde in the past 2 years can also not be ignored because of the policies those are announced by Eknath Shinde government. The BJP and the entire Mahayuti has benefited a lot and Ladki Behna Yojana has also done wonders for Mahayuti. So decision will be taken only after holding deliberations. What we are learning is that today BJP unit will be meeting in Mumbai. At the same time, Eknath Shinde is also holding meetings with all his MLAs and Ajit Pawar will also meet with MLAs. And after holding multiple deliberations, we can expect a decision to be taken. What we also told is that BJP High Command is likely to send observers also from national capital by evening today, and then we can expect a decision taken by the BJP also, where we will see meeting between all three constituents of Mahayuti, and then a final decision will be taken by Mahayuti, and then we will be able to know who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra.
Absolutely, Piyush. Thanks for bringing us all those details on the story.